Hi, my name is Janet. I'm from North Carolina. Watching late night TV, I got advertisements about my gutters, and the ones I had on were leaking, and they were starting to ruin my facial board, and I was getting concerned. So I called the number on the screen. He came out very quickly, did a very nice professional job. He was very friendly, explained the whole system to me, what the fees were going to cost, and that all the problems I had after he looked around the house said that all of that was because my gutters were poorly installed. So he called, and in 2 days they were here to install them. I couldn't believe how quick they came. And when the guys came, they flowed in a very good manner, like they've been working together for years. They were professional, nice. They cleaned up the entire yard. I mean, I didn't even know they had been there, other than the new installation of a fifth gutter that he said would have to go because of the length of the gutter going across the house. And it really is good. I mean, I'm not having the overflow, everything's just the way he said it would be. I'm very pleased.